$4, $58, $80, $69, even up to $222 can be earned by simply clicking on ads. Step number 1 is to simply click on the ads. For example, this is one banner ad that I can simply click on, and then step number 2 is to simply wait for 30 seconds right here on this page, and step 3 is just making money. This is how people from all over the world earn money by just clicking on advertisements. Don't worry, this is completely legal and free. You won't have to invest any money, and it's available in every country on the planet. All you need is a phone or a computer, and you can follow along with this video step by step. In today's video, I'll show you a lot of examples and proof, and if you stick with me until the end of this video, I'll show you a little secret on how all of these guys here can earn up to $583, right here, $454, and even here, $381. This is something I've never heard anyone else talk about before, so stay attentive and don't miss out. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. Before we go to the website, you first need to set up and have your very own PayPal account. So, head on over to paypal.com and set up an entirely free account by clicking this button over here. Just provide the needed details and log in to your very own PayPal account. Now, if you don't want that option, you can set up your own bank account online by searching in Google "online bank account in my country" and signing up for a free account on that online banking website. Now, the website that I'll show you today where you can get paid simply clicking on ads is this right in front of your screens. You can go onto this website that I'm going to share with you in a bit, but very important. If you don't watch the video, you will not make any money, or even if you make money, your earnings will be stuck inside your account and you cannot cash out. So it's very important for you to watch all the way until the end to learn all the mistakes to avoid and successfully cash out your earnings. So as you can see here, you can start earning extra cash for all your online activities. You can do different surveys, you can participate in different contests, you can complete different offers or refer other people or simply play games. But more importantly, what I want to show you right now on this video is to focus on visiting websites, which means you can simply click on different websites and click on different ads and you can get paid real money. As you can see here, they're super transparent about all their earnings on their website. You can see a total ads visualizations is this amount and total offers completed is this amount. There are over 150,000 users registered right now on this website, and they even show you all the previous withdrawals from all the people who are cashing out money, and they show their username, their country, and their payment methods. Once again, you can cash out all your earnings in many different payment options like PayPal, bank transfer, Skrill, Paytm, AirTM, cryptocurrency, Payeer, Neteller, or Perfect Money. There are just so many different payment options available worldwide. So right now, what I want you to do is comment down below and let me know what your preferred payment method is in your country, and in just a moment, I'll show you exactly how to register for a free account. So right now, if you want to sign up for a free account, all you gotta do is click on this Join Now button to register for free, and from there, that's gonna bring you to this page. And all you gotta do is just type your full name, your email address, and right here, you can just put in whatever username that you want and set up a password. So right here, just bring your birth year and your birthplace and just click on this "I'm not a robot" and agree to the terms of service and click on this register button. Simple as that. Once you're logged into your account, the first thing that you're gonna see is the leaderboard. Basically, they're gonna show you who is the top earner. For example, this one is the number 1. You can see here that's the username, that's the country, and the total earnings, which you can see here, and this person is actually a member on this website. not that long ago, and right here you can see the second ranked top earner with over this amount. Once again, these are people from different countries in the world who are able to earn hundreds if not thousands of dollars, and what they do is really simple. All you have to do is take out your phone and click on the ads. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. As you can see here, once you log into your account, you can find different daily fix ads to click on to make money. For example, this one. All of these are actually ads that you can click on, and that's gonna take you to another website, and all they do is really simple, and you can do the exact same thing. Once you log into your account, you can find different ads you can click on, and the most popular ads are actually banner ads. Now, when I scroll on to the right section, these are all the banner ads you can click on to get paid again and again. Now, if I click on any one of these banner ads, that's gonna bring me to a random website. So what I want you to do now is stay on this website for 30 seconds. Just wait for 30 seconds. You don't have to click any buttons, do anything really, but you do have to move your mouse occasionally so that you don't get flagged as a bot. Simply go around and browse around the website, because if you don't move anything, they will think that you're actually a robot and they will not credit any money into your account. So it's very important. Once you reach the website, scroll around, and once you move a little bit, you can just stay there for about 5 to 10 seconds and just start moving again. By doing that, you can prove to them that you're an actual human, and after 30 seconds, they'll be able to credit money into your account. So once again, once you finish on one banner, you can just go on to click on another banner, and there are just so many different banner ads right here on this website that you can click on and start getting paid. Moving on, the second way to get paid is to click on the daily fixed ads, and these are all the ads. So you can click on them and once again stay there for about 10 seconds and you can get paid. As you can see here, a lot of people are using this exact strategy to make a lot of money. Okay, so let me just show you one of the payment proofs right here on Adaclicks.net. And yeah, Adaclicks.net is our secret tool of the day. You can see the payment proofs here. Now, if I click on any of these, you can see that's gonna take me to this page where people share all of the results, all the proofs and testimonies. You can see the money they earned, the status is actually successful, and there are so many people reporting their income on this website, and guess what? All they do is simply click on daily fixed ads. Okay, here's a bonus tip that no other people are talking about. Make sure you complete at least a minimum of 5 daily fixed ads a day, and that will help you to multiply earnings and earn 10 times more money compared to other people. And once again, this is a bonus tip that I do want to share with you guys, my subscribers. Essentially, what you're going to achieve is that once you complete 5 daily fixed ads, you're able to unlock the standard ads, and as you can see here, standard ads pay you 10 times more money. Now, for example, if I click on these ads right here, that's going to bring me to another website, and depending on what ads you're clicking, sometimes you have to wait for 10 seconds, sometimes for like 30 seconds, and usually the longer you wait, the more money you're gonna make. So as I promised you, I'll show you the ultimate bonus tip. This is something that no other people are talking about and will essentially help you earn hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on this website. Now, you're gonna notice here that on the leaderboard, look at the top earners. As you can see here, the total earnings, for example, this one has this amount. Right here, another earning, and you can see here the referral earnings out of the money that they received. This amount is coming from referral earnings. For example, you can see the second user right here. This is their total earning, but some of that money came from the referrals, and that's the ultimate secret on how the top earners are ranking on the leaderboard. How they're making the most amount of money is simply by referring people to this website, and you can do the same thing by referring other people to Adaclicks.net as well. So on one side, you can simply click on ads to make money, and on the other, you can build another bonus stream of income by referring other people to this website, and you can earn passive income, so this is a win-win situation. They get to know how to make money, and you're able to earn referral commissions as you can see here, and this is one of the best ways to make money on AdClicks as well as other than simply clicking on ads. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you will start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.